Hello guys again. Today we have a new unboxing. This is the Parkside Detail Sander PHS 160E5. Let's see some specs. We have 160 watt, no lower rotation speed is 13,000 RPM, oscillation rate is 26,000 RPM, 9 sounding sheets, 3 of each in gray size 80, 120, 180, 1 extension plate and 1 adapter for external dust extraction, 3 years warranty from Lidl, 3 meters cable, some pictures, and let's open it. Inside there is a manual, you want to read it, the dust filter, some nozzle for your vacuum cleaner, and the detail sander, tension plate, this is for the extension blade. For here you can use, of course, okay, nice, release this mechanism, it will go out this, and then you can attach this and lock it again. But first we are going to try it with a bigger one, that. See how it works. 3 meters cable, very long, no worries about the cable. Let's install this. I will sound an OBC good. You press it and it will great. And we can lock the filter. If you want to see what is inside in the filter, take it out. This is it. Here is the dust collector, and the filter you can change it. Okay, nice. Here we got the OSB hood, something to sand, and this is painted. And as you see, it's doing a very good job, very smooth. And of course you can try the 80 and the 100 to smoother more this area. Then I will try the extension now. Take this out. Lock it. Again, I'm going to take the 120, and this is for small tight areas. Yeah, you cannot put all this. Definitely it will manage and it will help you. And that was all. Very nice. And with that, this is the end of the video of this Parkside Detail Sander. Thank you for watching this video. Like or dislike, this video is your choice. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming. And share this video, you never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.